What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode here at Shooter's Insight. We got the layout a little different, you know what I'm saying? I'm still working on the room, get everything situated, all the lights, everything, working on that. But beautiful day outside, beautiful light, natural light, so I'm going with that today. I like my hat, shout out to P80’S, yes sir. Safe in the back, guns, computer, music, I need my music, I need my shit, everything bumping, we happy, yes sir, let's get it. So, there is a new toy, yes sir. The P87, 357. This is from.
Now loading.
What's this? This is from HWM. This is the black chrome shorty right here. Nice gun. Okay. I like it, man. Nice gun. All right. Need to get me some ammo. Just mix the ammo shit. 357, 38 special from HWM, black chrome. Okay, beautiful little piece. I like it. It's my first revolver. Yes, sir. The P80 custom build, P80 Glock 19, beautiful piece. I have the Glock 17 mag in it. It has the, what is this, the Vortex, the Swamp Fox sight. I still haven't shot this one. I'm planning on heading to the range soon, one of these days. You will see me out there. Gotta try that. I have the Hellcat, Springfield Hellcat. Gotta have a Hellcat. Perfect day. Boom. The FN 507. Okay, 507. No, my bad. 509. Sorry, guys. 509C compact. All right, tactical. 509C. Nice piece. Got it with the Harlison 507. Okay, this is the 507 X2. Yeah, 507C X2. Yes, sir. You see, I got confused with the sight and then the gun. So it's 509 with the 507C. With the Apex trigger, I got all that.
Okay, I fired on my bosses, flipped the bird to my professors. I got way too tired of seeing life through school semesters. When I hop on the mic, I'm talking shit, applying pressure. Butterfly doors on a matte black Tesla.
Gotta have your Glock 19, guys. Okay, this is my Glock 19 Gen 3, I believe. Super clean. Okay, super clean. With the big round clip. And I have this. I walked into the gun store one day to buy ammo, and I seen this piece there. I slapped the TLR6 on it, Streamlight, and the gun is a Performance Center M&P Shield. Okay, it comes just how you see it without the laser and light. You know, with the gold, the trigger, everything, sights. Nice piece for the money. And to be honest, I like it. What's up, everybody? That concludes the video for today. I want to go ahead and give a shout out to my daughter, Bella. She did all the editing on the video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. What else? That was just a quick, run through, through my little pistols that I got in the safe. Other than that, we got more videos coming your way. Stay tuned. We got more guns. We got more, activities I'm going to do with the kids. And I'm going to go ahead and do all that stuff for you guys. And hope you guys learn. I will be hitting up the gun range soon. I know you guys want to see me shooting and all of that. But, life gets in the way. And there's just more other important things. So, that being said, thank you guys for watching. Support the channel. You don't gotta buy shit right now. Just go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and share button. And I appreciate it, man. I'll see you on the next one.